It's springtime in Adelaide, and although the weather has been somewhat hit and miss, our real estate market continues to remain super hot. Investors and owner-occupiers are making the most of these record market conditions by selling up at what could be potentially the peak of the market. Dwelling values across Australia have now skyrocketed to more than 20% over the last 12 months. Buyer demand continues to outpace stock levels, which has resulted in the highest annual appreciation in property prices since June 1989. Nationally, home values rose nearly 5% for the September quarter, which has eased from the 6% increase in the previous quarter. Locally, home values rose 5.5% in Adelaide over the past 3 months, which is higher than the national average. Much of this is due to the activity in the upper end, with the top 25% of SA homes in value increasing by nearly 7%. This has also resulted in South Australian dwelling values being at record highs, increasing to nearly 20% over the past year. Now, most weekends we continue to see another record sale price in popular Adelaide suburbs. Rental values, they've increased by nearly 9% in the last 12 months nationally and 8.3% in Adelaide, which is the highest annual growth since 2008, resulting in record low rental yields as a result of this strong capital growth. Now, this collective market strength continues to be a result of the record low interest rates, high savings rates, and with Adelaide in particular benefiting from population growth and strong buyer demand from interstate. SA has been a magnet for expats throughout this whole COVID pandemic. A strong border control has also cemented Adelaide as a safe haven, along with high livability factors and jobs growth attracting expats with significant wealth coming back from eastern states. Now, whether the positive net migration continues when the borders open and what impacts this will have on our real estate market remains to be seen. Now, although the expectation is that mortgage rates will remain at record lows for an extended period of time, we have seen some modest steps being taken by regulators to curb this property price growth and the rising level of household debt. APRA announced the change in lending rules to restrict finance to slow down some of those market conditions, and we're starting to see that have an effect in some marketplaces. Following this, the ABC has reported that market experts believe that interest rates could rise as soon as June 2022. So for those contemplating selling, now just might be the right time to bring your plans forward, reduce any risk, and take advantage of the hottest market conditions in decades. Well, that's a wrap for another Market in a Minute. And if you are looking to buy, sell, or have your property managed, please reach out to one of the OC team.